All right, we just got an Amarillo snapper. That's like almost a perfect size for the air fryer. Or just like, you have one of those discs?
No, no, but I want to get one.
Yeah. So look, do you see these? They have these teeth.
Oh yeah.
Those fangs. But this is like a really prized fish down here. I mean, people love spearing these things, and they're the better eating snapper out of all the snappers. These are the good eating ones. I'll throw this in the bait tank too and bleed it out. Oh shit, I was gonna take a picture of it real quick. Put my head up my ass.
Rose?
Yep, spotted rose snapper.
Spotted rose. Nice.
Yeah, those are two good ones.
Yep.
For sure. Oh, there.
I'll get him. Come on, Ruby. You're good. Good thing got room in the bait box here.
We can, I was gonna say, if we need to start putting them on ice, we can.
No, there's plenty of room still.
Okay.
Sweet.
You happy catching snapper? Just keep dropping, or do you want to reset, or what do you think? Keep dropping?
Yeah.
Might as well keep dropping until we find the end of this train.
As long as they're still hitting.
And then we can reset, because I keep marking our spot, or our line right now.
Uh-huh.
And this one would be really easy to reset on and reset up on. So to space, because it was good for fishing, having the captain's chair swivel, but you have no ice storage.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, and then I hate putting my fish in the same cooler as the beer, you know, so it's like,
exactly.
There we go. This is a good one.
Nice.
They're right on the bottom, Tadeo. Right on the bottom. I wasn't even moving that jig. I was just bullshitting with you, letting it drag. You on?
Not a big. Oh shit.
Yeah, there you go, baby. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, I fucked you so hard. What the fuck?
How did the reel come apart?
Oh my god. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna help you. Let me get this in.
Fucking screw.
Oh shit!
Fuck.
What the fuck? That's my bad, dude. I feel like a douchebag now. Well, I guess we found the limit of the reel. Yeah, dude, that's what these are. Look, big snappers.
Yeah.
Big snappers is what we're in right now.
Did he get off?
Oh, you want to snag that snapper for me?
Yeah.
It's back there.
Relax. Give me a break and I'll help you out.
If you need my pliers, I can.
Yeah, I think I got it.
Okay. Or you can use those broken ones that are up there on the dash. I got it. That one's a pretty good one too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's between.
Nice.
Yeah. Shit, I definitely would not mind taking home a few of those.
We're probably gonna have to start using the other, put the ice in.